A good debate I seen in a couple of the comments was, why do you only put 4 to 5 bullets in the 30 mag? Now, unless I'm just in there having fun, doing some dumps or anything, or just dumping this shit for content, I try to keep it realistic and practice on my first 3 shots. Or it's really supposed to only be 3, but I put 4 to 5 sometimes. And yes, there's gonna be that one dude in the comments who say, hey, only takes 1 bullet. But that same guy has never watched Zombieland because he doesn't know that rule.